President Obama has just signed a $300 billion plus surface transportation bill, and a sizable portion of that money will help buy buses and rail cars for the nation's transit systems. That gives the nation an opportunity to boost its manufacturing sector, create thousands of good-paying jobs, and revive communities that are still struggling to recover from the financial crisis. But that's if the federal government correctly manages requirements that transit vehicles be mostly made in America. That's the argument that economist Robert Pollin makes in a report, Strengthening U.S. Manufacturing Through Public Procurement Policies. Pollin, who is the co-director of the Political Economy and Research Institute at the University of Massachusetts-Amherst, discussed the report in a briefing December 8 at the House Transportation and Infrastructure Committee.
The key message is we have a tool, it's on the books, it's called Buy America, focused on the transportation sector. It's a way through which we can expand job opportunities and strengthen manufacturing. The tool itself is not being used adequately. There's some basic things we can do to strengthen it in terms of raising the domestic content level, strengthening monitoring, not giving away waivers, and incorporating other standards other than just the lowest bidder in awarding contracts. The other things that we can do, number one, take a broader view of the companies. Number two, more importantly, look at the employment impacts of these contracts and focus on what happens to communities, what happens to jobs when we create these new manufacturing opportunities.
Pollin says that making sure we use federal spending programs like the transportation bill to revive manufacturing should be a main point of discussion in the 2016 elections.
We've lost 5 million manufacturing jobs, and that's jobs. On top of it, an economy that does not have a strong and growing, vibrant manufacturing sector isn't going to innovate. Innovation takes place through integrating new processes through manufacturing. As it is, productivity growth in the economy is low. I don't know exactly why, I don't think anybody does, but the way to accelerate productivity growth is to accelerate manufacturing production.
The procurement report was a joint project of the Political Economy Research Institute and Jobs to Move America. Learn more at jobstomoveamerica.org. This is Isaiah J. Poole for ourfuture.org.